welcome back yet again when it comes to another Hindu temple that has now been targeted, and this reports that is now coming in from Sacramento of the BAPS Sri Swaminarayan Mandir in California that was desecrated with anti-Hindu messages on the night of 25th of September, less than 10 days after a similar act of vandalism that took place at the BAPS Mandir in New York. The messages that included several incendiary messages as well, and against when it comes to the local Hindu community, which has responded saying, and they've expressed their commitment to stand united against hate. As far as this is being another incident, one that was reported in New York, this one that has now been reported in Sacramento. Let's get you the details that are now coming across as far as from the Sacramento Sheriff. The Sheriff, what it has to say, the Sacramento Sheriff, and also when it comes to the police which are investigating the vandalism being classified as a hate crime at the BAPS Hindu Mandir in Mathur, as the detectives and the CSI are at the scene. And this is when it comes to the Swaminarayan Mandir, at Hindu place of worship, what it is now being said. In less than 10 days, Srinjoy, good morning. We're looking at another case of vandalism being reported.
Yes, undoubtedly, and this is really worrying because these are two things that have happened at two separate places. You can't get further away from New York and California. So now it's clear that this is a case where one organization is being deliberately targeted. These are not random incidents. If you're going to do something in California and something else in New York, then clearly there is a plan behind it. Now it is up to the state police in California and also in New York to take action, because this is something that can come in the way of relations between America and India, which is very friendly. So this is where action has to be taken.
Right. Srinjoy, thank you very much for joining in at this point. As far as the relations between India and US is concerned, it's very warm, with the Prime Minister having just concluded a 3-day successful visit. Let's get you another post that has now come across. This is from the BAPS, the Mandir side itself, saying that community leaders gathered for a heartfelt prayer ceremony at the Mandir in Sacramento following the desecration of the Mandir. Inspired by Mahant Swami Maharaj, we remain dedicated to promoting harmony and standing against intolerance. Together, we will defeat hate. And this was a similar message that came in from the Mandir side when less than 10 days ago, another similar act of vandalism had happened at the BAPS Swaminarayan Mandir in New York. Yet another hate crime that has now been reported against Hindus in the United States of America. We'll keep our viewers updated on the same developments back after a short break.